Nih,
Apa surprise? Tambah kamu itu lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yepi, mangau Melvin Mukim, naka film Haling Kabneng. Nakumen ban pentip shepi, ba nginwan rab yang sashi sien ka film ha ususu tham auditorium naruga kapra tarik adu laipuai tarik ubanai jemang. Kipor kilong kanar baje mensngi, baje mensngi, san baje janmiet, bat hanyo baje demiet. Turmen banyak kendu biang yepi sashi sien.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Umuntri ka Sorkar Shylla, uba kami yak tanat ka kot ka khya, uba wailat miki Shylla. Ha ka khat khandai tarik ujumang aja penriu, ula kentu yak Sorkar pedeng, pakan ra di kendon an, kiba Pyrkhing ban khanglat ikinu ki jingtuna ha ka examen national eligibility come entrance test pat ha ki examen kiba pelong ha kari pat ongru bagi jingtuna ha jingtrai kam jongka national testing agency kala penduk mensie mik samla pulie bagi kimi pa ha kari hi barokoi ha ka jingkran bekilap thai khubor uba Shylla ulaong bakani kamja tang ha Meghalaya hendeka jaru wat ha ki Shylla pat kalong ka basmosi banyoi kum kini ki jingja ki bakta ya ki jingmot jing perkhat jong ki samla pulie.
Strike, I think it's not only Meghalaya. It is affected all over the state. All who have who have appeared in the exam. Like I said, it is very unfortunate event, and we never expected this. But like the other in my previous statement, also I have mentioned that since this is being done by the central, probably by the NTA, so no doubt I really condemn this, and at the same time I will urge the central government. They should, I think, even a few days ago the Union Education Minister have come up with a statement that from now on there will be strict action will be taken, and they will see that this kind of things should not happen in the future. So that also I like in my previous statement also I said that central government has to come up with something in order to gain the trust of the people of this country, because this has been happening in even in the past as well, because and we know that when this kind of things happen, it really demoralizes the student who gave the exam and also the parent behind them. So I think I would like to see that the central government should come up with strict laws in order to gain the trust of the student and the parent.
What's your message to the young ones, those who have lost with aspiring doctors and MBBS students?
See, like I said, but unfortunately, like I said, this is not the first time it's happening. And I will urge the student that they should not feel discouraged. No doubt swift action has been taken, and then I think the first day already announced. So I'll urge them that to not be demoralized. This is the second chance you have got. Work hard, and I think we are together on this. Like I clearly in my it's my clear message that the central government should come up with strict laws in order to gain the trust of the student. But this kind of thing will always happen in our life. So you should not feel discouraged. You should always be motivated and work hard. Right now, I don't have the exact number, but quite a number of them. Were there. If I'm not mistaken, it is 21st June.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.